What is going on? In this video, I want to show you how to overcome your social anxiety, any kind of stress that comes up, or just in general anxiety in your life through meditation. Now, I'm going to give you a simple method that I use to meditate that I've been doing for years. And it's going to be a super quick video that's going to help you integrate this into your everyday life and become a lot more chilled out, just more in the moment, and really be able to deal with stress and anxiety in a much better way, whether that's to go out and socialize, or whether that's to do a presentation, or just simply to get over a lot of your stress at work, or anything in between that. All right? What's up? It's Felipe, founder of the Social Buddha Method. In this quick video, I want to show you the exact way that I meditate every single day. First of all, the first tip is to really get in a quiet spot and somewhere where you won't be bothered, and time yourself for 20 to 25 minutes. And so the way to do this is you sit down and you begin to focus, close your eyes, you begin to focus on your breathing. You begin to see how your breath goes in and how it goes out of your mouth, that kind of stuff. You don't try to control it. You simply focus on your breath. Also, another thing that I like to do from time to time in those 20 to 25 minutes is focus on different parts of my body. Maybe I am, feeling how my hands feel as they're resting. Maybe my legs, maybe my body, how it reacts to my breathing. Or even imagining how my breathing goes in through my body and begin to feel different parts of my body. That's a big one. Now, the next step also, when you are doing meditation, there's nothing wrong with thinking. In fact, the more you try to control it, the more it will control you. So it's all right if you're thinking. There's nothing wrong with it. In fact, your goal is just to sit there for 20 minutes. But you do want to make an effort to redirect your focus from whatever thoughts may pop up back into your breathing, or back into maybe noticing different sounds. Again, all your senses. That's what you want to focus on as you meditate. So when you begin to daydream about what you have to do, or what happened yesterday, or whatever it might be, redirect your mind back into the moment. Redirect your mind back into your senses. Come back to your senses, if that makes sense to you. In other words, if you're meditating, feel your body, feel how the wind, maybe if you're outside, how the wind feels, or the noises that are going on, and that sort of thing. And in another video, actually, I'm going to upload binaural beats, which is basically a way to lower your brain waves into a meditative state that I also use in those 20 minutes. The next tip I want to share with you in regards to meditation is that you do this for 20 or 25 minutes. You do it twice a day. And once you finish, you don't want to jump up and go into activity right away. Let your body and your mind settle into this state and come back into the active state. Give yourself maybe 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes until you begin to do an activity. Just sit there for a moment. Take in the feeling. The other thing is, I would recommend you do this twice a day. Once in the morning when you wake up, and also either in the afternoon, when you take a break from work, or in the evening before you go to sleep. Personally, I do it 3 times a day. Sometimes I do it for 20 minutes, sometimes for 10. Definitely in the morning for 20. And it's the results are incredible. You become a lot more relaxed, more confident, more in the moment. You're able to listen better. You're able to perform better at work. The benefits are just incredible, especially as you do it throughout the years. Anything else I may be spacing out? I think that's everything, really. So try that. Let me know if you have any questions in regards to how the meditation works, any of the benefits you might be wondering about, as well as any questions that you might have in regards to how I do it, or some of the ways that you're doing it. For example, if you have any other ways that you have any suggestions, put them down below. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell button for notifications when I'm releasing this, this empowering content that I hope can help you create an amazing life, an amazing lifestyle. And share it if you see that anybody can benefit from it. All right, we'll see you next time.